Catch 'em all.
Recently, ASUS has announced their new phone, ASUS ROG Phone 3. Every year, they launch a gaming phone with best specification of that year. So this year, they announced ASUS ROG Phone 3. So this phone have 144Hz refresh rate AMOLED screen. The screen size of this phone is 6.59 inch and the resolution is 1080p. On the front you will get Gorilla Glass 6 protection and 24 megapixel single selfie camera. On the back you will get Gorilla Glass 3 protection and aluminum body with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 64 megapixel plus 13 megapixel ultra wide camera plus 5 megapixel of macro camera. This is not a camera phone and its quality is not a flagship camera level, but this year ASUS gave very good camera quality with 8K resolution video recording at 30 fps and 4K recording at 120 fps. There are 5 variants of this phone. First one is 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. Second is 12GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. Third one is 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage. Number 4 is 12GB of RAM, 512GB of internal storage. Number 5 is 16GB of RAM, 512GB of internal storage. Android 10 is installed on this phone with the world's fastest chipset, Snapdragon 865 Plus and Adreno 650 GPU. On this phone there is dedicated dual speakers on the front and dual charging ports that you have never seen before. Second port is for when you are playing game. You can charge the phone and never lose your grip. And there is no headphone jack in this phone, so keep it in your mind. This is a dual SIM phone with no memory card slot and under display fingerprint scanner. There is 6000 mAh battery with 30 watt of fast charging and it can reverse charging at 10 watts. The Antutu score of this phone is 6,21,932.